Hello, welcome to the second part of our WordPress discussion, And today we're going to talk about the dashboard of your WordPress website. So to navigate quickly, and these are the tools that you will be needing in developing this website. So here in the upper left corner of your dashboard, you will see here um, the logo of WordPress, and some quick links about WordPress. And we will not be reading that unless we have some concerns and read more, about WordPress. But for now, I guess it's not necessary to do so. And this one will be the main, um, menu, you know, where you can visit the website by clicking on this, the submenu, visit site. So if you right click that and open a new tab, you will be able to see how your WordPress website looks. So now it's just plain and simple because we haven't done anything, and it's the default installation of your website. And to go back to your dashboard, if you're in the view mode of your website, you can just simply click on this one and it will lead you back to your dashboard. Okay, so there are several menus which I will be discussing later on. So posts are just the pages, like the blog posts that we see every day. So these are not the permanent pages that you will see, Parang sa Facebook, yung concept ng post is just yung ordinary post na linalagay natin every day in our social media account. And this one is where you will see the media, like audio, video, and pictures. And here are the pages, which are the static pages of your page. So sila yung mga permanent na hindi siya dynamic. And just like normally they're the ones that are contained on your menu bar, sa inyong website. Like for example, um, look for a website, hmm, CLSU. For example, the website of CLSU. So these are all the menus, and on that menu are the pages that are created individually. So it's not going to change. That's permanent. It's always there. And for the post and kanina that I said are just articles. So if you look here, these are articles, and they're basically pages as well, but they are dynamic because every time you create one, they will go to the blog section of your or news section of your website. Okay? But later on, do not worry if I'm too fast because we're going to talk about them individually and we're going to create activities around those. The next one are comments. Here you can where you can see the comments left by commenters on your post or pages if you allow them. So here you can add or delete comments. I mean delete and approve comments. So this is an example comment given by provided by our installation upon installing website. So if you try to check this, view post, you know, the comment is here, and we can delete that actually. So pagbabalik tayo sa ating dashboard, under comments, if you delete this, let me just open this in your tab, okay? Let's try to delete this comment. Move to trash, then apply. So if you deleted that, if you refresh this page, wala na yung comment. Okay? So let's try to put one. Okay, I just type, I did the whatsoever. on the comment section, and if you try to reload this, it's there. So you can just delete that. Again, multi-brush, apply, and it's gone. And for appearance, here you can customize the themes or how your website looks. Okay, so you'll see this is the theme that is installed by default. Yeah. So if we're going to try to see it here in our dashboard, under appearance and themes, ang pangalan niya is 2022. And here you can customize the theme. But we're going to talk about it later on again. So let's just try to activate this one para makita nyo so that you will be able to see the changes that have been done. So I just activated this theme 2020, and if I refresh this page, voila, the appearance of your website just changed. So that's how WordPress works. That's how powerful WordPress is. You can change the looks of your website on just a click of a button. Another one are plugins. So plugins are um, sets of code that is plugged in into your WordPress website. That means you don't have to code to modify anything in your website. So it will give you more features. Like for example, if you want to convert this one into this blog type of website into an e-commerce website, you'll have to search for plugins that enables your website to have an e-commerce um, capability. And here, users, of course, if you are an administrator of a WordPress website, you can always add users, so you can create new administrators and give that to your colleagues. Or let's say, for example, you work in a big company and somebody is in charge in creating posts only and articles, and you can create a user, that can only post and nothing else, cannot do anything about the appearance of your website, add plugins and themes, and etc. And here the tools are some of the options, and this is where your quick access of available tools, how you can import your site, export it, and you can check the health of your website and export your data, rich data, and of course some menus will be added here once you start adding plugins. And here you can see the settings, general settings of your website, and how um, the writing settings and reading settings um, are applied, and etc. So you can, if this is too much for you, you can just collapse this menu and hide it, and you can also show it back on. So there are quick access here for your for you, para mas mapadali tayo. But I won't be using this, will not be using this unless you are really incorporating a big website and managing. So I'll just close that. A quick draft is like the shortcut for adding a new post ng ito. So here you can start typing anything. But here you cannot add images, and it's just like a plain text or whatsoever. But if you're rushing and you want to post something like an announcement, you can do that. But I do not suggest this feature. And at a glance, you can see here that we have one post already and one comment and one page. So it will show you what theme you're using and how many posts you have, how many comments you have in total, and pages you have in total. So here you can also see events, about WordPress, and which is I do not really recommend as well, unless you're a real fanatic of WordPress. And And here you can also see their most recent activity, so you can review if something happens or someone of your colleagues did something without your go signal, and you can check that here. So that's for the dashboard, and it's quite simple if you just explore it, and you after some time you will be able to familiarize the WordPress dashboard. So madali lang naman siyang aralin, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are just 9 menus here to explore, and you can actually start searching Google now or YouTube how these things work. But if you want to listen to me when I discuss those, you can also do so. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next discussion.